In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the world fighting style here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you are going to have access to C2, so make sure that you've already reached Ascension Level 5 and completed all the required quests, which includes collecting all 7 map pieces and fragments from those bosses. From here, what you're going to want to do is enter in C2 and then fast travel over to Bazaar Island. From here, you need to farm the world boss. Now, all the items that you need in order to get the world fighting style are going to be from the world boss. So essentially, keep farming them over and over. For example, you need like the Time Tyrant title that drops from the world boss or is guaranteed after enough world boss kills. But essentially, once you have all the required materials and titles, just go to the world NPC here in C2 on Bazaar Island, and then from there, you can just unlock the world fighting style. But that is it. Unlock C2, collect the required materials from the world boss on Bazaar Island, and then use them to unlock the world fighting style. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.